Hey guys, welcome again to my channel with Azzy. So I would like to say thank you to those who actually did go watch my first video of this modeling how to become a model series. Thank you so much guys, and for those who have just subscribed to my channel, welcome. You are welcome here. It's a free space, it's a safe space. So basically I am doing this series where I talk about how to become a model, or how I became a model, and I'll be giving you each step that I took that I think is a very important detail that you should not miss out when you are searching for an agency. Okay, so basically today I'll be looking at my laptop because I'll be taking you guys through the steps of how I looked for a modeling agency. Most people come to me and ask, how do you find model agencies? How do you know which one to pick? So I have a very few steps that I actually took, how I went about looking for that, and I went on Google, right, and I said model agencies in Cape Town. So model agencies in wherever you are, right? So you search that. Obviously there's a lot of model agencies that will pop up. For instance, the model agencies that popped up here on my screen are 3D model agency, DNA model management, 20 model management, and many more, right? So these are the first three that actually popped up. And what I normally look for, I normally look for the ratings for, like, you know, there's those stars right on the screen, and under each name there's stars. So I normally look at the stars, the rating, and I actually go in the reviews and actually, you know, see what are people saying about the agency. Another thing, also go on the website. So click on the model agency, right? I'm gonna go for DNA because I'm part of DNA, for those who don't know. For instance, if I go on the website for DNA model management, I find that there are works that they've done, there are magazine covers, and it sort of like tells me that this is, you know, an agency that does this type of work. And then I ask myself, am I interested in this type of work? Do I want to do, you know, some magazine work? I see here some nice portraits. I see some works with different brands, right? So to me, that was the first thing. And so you get different tabs, right? So I go on the women and I check and I see models that I actually have seen before, whether on billboards, whether on magazines, you know, I see all types of different models. And then I go on the contact and I check for all their contact details. Where are they found? Do they have real offices? Do they have an email address? And so there is another tab that is written join. On that tab, most agencies have a tab that's written join, or how to become a model. So on the tab that says join DNA, you get all types of different, you know, questions, like you have to know your name, you have to put in your surname, but also you have to have information such as your height, your waist, your bust, your dress size, your hips, you know, your hair color, your eye color. And then the most important part, you have to have pictures, your headshots, your profile, and your full length. I will put images on the screen here. So, and then you have to click I'm not a robot. They do actually have the examples of the images that you have to put on right here on the website, and then you'll click send. So most people ask me, what should you write where there's a box where it says message? You write whatever you want to write. Like if you have to tell them that you're still in high school but you really want to do modeling, and that you're interested in this type of modeling, then that's the message that you put in. Yeah, basically that's how you find an agency, and that's how you register yourself. What they will do is they will receive your application and they will send you an email back. So have an email, have data, and a smartphone or a laptop where you can actually search. And then you must have all your sizes, right? Such as your height, your waist, your bust, your hips, your dress size, your shoe size. And most of the time the shoe sizes are in UK, so you have to know your shoe size in UK. Also, please, when you take these pictures, just take them, don't do anything extra, don't pose in an extra manner. just be yourself. Make sure your nails are clean and dress neat, like your jeans and your typical jeans and black strap tops work. If you're gonna have a virtual meeting with them, because what they're gonna do, they're gonna receive your application and they're gonna call you through either for a virtual interview, since we are like under lockdown and stuff, so they might not call you for like a physical interaction or physical interview now. So make sure that if you're gonna have a virtual meeting with them, have all your details here, know exactly what you want, tell them exactly your vision, where you see yourself, interact with them. They are very open people, right? Also, another thing that if you're gonna have a physical interaction with them, make sure you look clean, you look neat. They might take a few snaps of you, so they will ask you for money. I will be doing a part 2 of this video. Yeah, guys, I love you guys so much. Please do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Comment down on the comment section. Please do make sure to follow me on my socials at Azzy_number on my Instagram and at Azzy number on my Facebook. And please do ask those questions. Thank you so much.